may have seen this video from the incredible Martin Miller saying this.
If you practice on accuracy, speed will come.
No, untrue. Gradually increase your speed. That kind of stuff you hear, it's not true.
But in this video, there's an essential point that most people ignore, and here it is.
As soon as your fundamental technique is good, you push it.
As I can tell, many people simply don't know if they have the right technique. Spoiler, there's a high chance of you having the wrong technique if you're struggling in the medium tempos from 100 up to 150 BPM. Honestly, you don't know if you're doing things correctly until someone like Martin explains all these little nuances to you. But still, a lot of people with the wrong technique start to push themselves to get faster. And this is what it leads to. Imagine that my initial technique is incorrect. For example, I bend the wrist in my left hand, which leads to a massive tension in the forearm. I will also straighten my fingers and press the string with the soft part. In my right hand, I will play using the elbow, and that will make me become tensed up as well. So to get faster, a lot of teachers offer the chunk method, when you play 2 or 3 notes quickly and then over time add another note, and so on. So I'll try to play a few notes quickly and... yeah, I can successfully do that, but trust me, if I try to play the whole run like this, it would be a disaster. If you're going to run, then why are you trying to practice walking? But imagine your running looks something like this.
What the hell?
Will you be able to speed it up just by practicing this a lot? Of course, this example is highly exaggerated, but the point here is that even if you can play few notes fast somehow, it doesn't mean you can play like this for a while and have consistent results. Don't get me wrong, chunk method actually works, but please, before you start to increase the tempo, make sure that technique you're using will work in faster tempos. So how am I gonna know what technique will work in faster tempos, you might ask? Join this channel and I will explain all this in details. New videos coming soon.